Good morning. Here's something I bet you've not wasted much time on. What is that? What makes that noise? Well, it's a little glass marble. Let's check it out. So I have one here ready to go. I always punch a hole in these just to release the pressure. I don't want them to explode in the trash guy's truck or anything. So this one's already been pre-punched. Here's a little ASMR for those guys that like that. Dude. Oh, and there she goes. It's a big one. I find that they're different sizes. Sometimes they're clear. Sometimes they're blue. Most of the times they're green. There you go. One glass marble. Now, you add that to your other useless collection of glass marbles. Ta-da! If anybody needs any, let me know.